What if you got bitten by a Sydney funnel spider? During the 1920s, there was no anti-venom. A single bite meant almost certain death. Children died within hours. Adults weren't much lucky. In just 15 minutes, the venom can shut down your nervous system. This spider doesn't just bite. It delivers a neurotoxin so powerful it can kill faster than almost any land creature. The terror from the Sydney funnel spider has sent so many families across the world into living in fear, though in some cases it leads to death. But there's hope. If you get the anti-venom in time, you might just cheat death. Let's join hands together to avoid the consequences of these dangerous pests.